welcome to the channel. Tonight it's going to 22 degrees, so I gotta go pull the lid off the well house, make sure the light's in there, get the light on, and I need to find their heated water bowl. We are gonna find it this time, because I know it's in here. Just got back home. Got the dogs fed, so I got a little bit of time in between milk bones. Alright, I know that dude's in here, and we're going to find it. If I'm thinking, there it is. I just had to think about it a little bit. Okay. Then I'll have to run a cord. Wash that dude out a little bit. And let's put this aside, and then I'm gonna go. I don't think I took the well light out. No, that was the old heat lamp. I don't use a heat lamp. That thing sucked them power. Hopefully you guys don't blow over. It's very, very windy today. This is the time of year I dread opening this lid and seeing what the heck's been in there, or still may be in there. There's a cord. We need that. This needs to get rebuilt sometime or another. Let me take a peek. Hello? Anybody in there? Looks good. All I gotta do is plug her in. There's a gadget I gotta get that this plugs into where I can hit it with the remote control. I don't know what I did with it. Let's go look in the shed. See? There's the well pump up there. I got the light right over it. And I've never had an issue in there. Alright, Tilly, we gotta find the remote thing. I probably brought it in the house. Because if it was in here, no. That ain't happening. But if I'm lucky, I might have hung it up on the pegboard. Oh, let's see. Not seeing it. Alright, let me go look in the house. I think I know where it is now. Well, that's my tester. Yeah, I'll go look. I know the remote's in there. What do you want now? I don't know where that thing went. I don't know why I would have brought it out of here. Maybe it's in here somewhere. Nah. Well, what I got is an outlet there. What I'm going to do, just so I don't have to pull this lid every time I want to turn it on, I'm going to plug it in this extension cord. And shove most of that in there. Shortest one I could find. And just leave this one hang out. I'll find it. I found the remote. What the heck I did with it, I don't know. Is that where I want that? Let's make sure it works. Yep, it still works. I don't particularly like where it's at. It's fine. Alright, we'll just leave this hang out so I can come out here and unplug it. Make sure there's no damage. Don't look like nothing's been in here and chewing on nothing. Got to make sure this is down or wind is going to get it. There's little holes in the side. I can see if the light's on. We'll put this big rock on here. Oh, I don't like picking this thing up. That keeps the lid from blowing, hopefully. Trailer tire. Alright. Well, there it is, it's on. I don't like how that fits though. Oh, it's gotta go way over. Alright. Got to build a new well house, man. Well, what's it hanging on? Alright. Yeah, it's got to come out a ways. I mean, it's down. Yeah, it's good. Alright, let's get this bucket cleaned out. Alright, got them all washed out. Well water stains these bowls pretty quick. But this one got pretty clean. I think I bought that a year ago. Well, let's set you guys down. Well, don't blame me. No, you guys don't need a heated bowl. You got a heated apartment. It's for the other babies. What are you worried about? Oh, you remember these bowls. When you guys, yeah, these buckets when you lived outside. And I plugged it into the fifth wheel. Yeah, I know you remember. But this one ain't yours. This was Libby's bowl. And what's this for Libby's bowl? Bucket. Why can't I say bucket? Let's go figure out how we're going to did it. This is your new bucket. And I'm throwing that old one out. It's just nasty. We're going to put it in the same spot. And these have the chew-proof got the chew-proof cord. And if I remember right, there was a little hole right there. Yep, I can shove that cord through there. And what this does is, once the water gets to a certain temperature, that kicks on. It keeps it from freezing. They work really good. Alright, so their water's there. Now, gotta run an extension cord, and they don't use much wattage. Very little, but they work great. Alright, let's see. Hi there. My name's Johnny Cash. Alright, you come here, cord. I have a cord already run. Oh my God. What are y'all looking at? And I got a plug right behind here. Whoa! Oh. Look, man. Plug you in there. And then, oh, there's my little step ladder, and there's my boots. I was looking for them boots yesterday. What are y'all looking at up there? Bad footage. You're looking at a wall. Terrible, terrible camera work. Alright, so I've got that plugged in. We don't need the three-way. You get out the way. Stuff. You need to go in the house. And just plug this dude in. Now you guys got heated water. Yeah. Your water won't freeze no more. And I didn't have to put a hole in there because it was already there. Yeah. They know that it's something they have to do with them. They just know it. But they're going to be amazed. Did I put, yeah, when their water don't freeze. Where's Millie? I got to show her. Come here, Millie. Come here. She's over there in the sun. You got to come see your new bucket. Yeah. Here she comes. Dogs, man. You just put a little, you know, that tone, and they think they know that it's something for them. Come here. Come see your new bucket. There you go. Look. There's your new water bucket. You get a drink out of that. Yeah. She says, you called me over here for that. I ain't dumb. These girls are full of it. Full of energy. I know you guys are. Running all over. I don't need you breaking no bones. Oh, I'm going to get you. And I'm going to get this one. Yeah, you didn't like to play last year at this time. You didn't? Get her, Tilly. Get her, Tilly. Get her, Tilly. Oh, yeah. Get her back, Millie. Get her. Says you're an instigator. I'm going to take those collars off you, those Serestos, okay? We'll take them off tomorrow. You don't need them anymore. I'll get your collars all prepped for winter. They're all full of energy, not just them two. But this one too. These two are full of vinegar. Tea and vinegar. You ate your supper, good girl. What are we watching today? This looks like a soap opera. It is. We can't have this. There's no puppies or nothing on there. We don't watch love stories in this house. We'll see what this guy's doing. Bet it's kitties. Pit bulls and parolees. Well, that's better than a love story. Because we don't watch them, do we, Waldo? Yeah. You guys had your heater on last night. It stayed 65 degrees in here all night. Got it set up for him right there. It will be on high tonight. Yeah. Yeah, well. All right, I got to go now. I got two videos to make, to edit. You going to say hi to everybody, Lily? Is that your little friend? The Franken dog? What's that? If I did put that down for Waldo, let's see what Telly will do. You sniffing his butt? Is that a mini rooster? Tilly. She won't hurt it. Let's see what Waldo thinks. Oh. 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 What is that? What are you gonna name him? Oh, you oof too much. What are you gonna name him? Oof. Oof? That's a funny name for a dog, oof. Oofa. Okay, oofa. How about Oompa? You wanna name him Oompa? Trick or treat. That's Frankendog. Yeah. Frankendog. We better go put him back on the shelf. Alright. Well, Melly didn't get to see it. Is this a puppy? What is that, Melly? You afraid of a little dog like that? You know she's got to come look. Come look at it, Melly. Come see it. She says, heck no, I had enough of puppies. You guys are in the shadow. Those two love each other, man. They'll get in that doghouse tonight, and I stuffed it full of pine chips. Yeah, they kick half of it out, but they're in there together, so they got the body heat going. Those things, I did all that for Libby. She preferred sleeping in them, so I think they're warmer. Yeah. All right, guys, just want to remind people, if you're just now joining my channel, for the entire month of October, which we call Dogtober, I've been putting a video out every day on both of my channels. And I didn't do so good on the third channel, but it's not monetized, so it don't matter. And we got one more day after today. That's right. Now, I wanted to do a nice, a cool Halloween video. I'm not going to have time to do anything like that. That's a lot of editing, and it just takes forever. So we'll shoot for next year. Because there ain't going to be a Dogtober again. There might be a Doguary, you know, because February's short. There ain't going to be a Dogtober. Dogtember, Doglie, Dogoon, I don't know. Dog Arch. You could do it in March. Well, no, March got 31 days. But anyway, the way it's looking, as I said on the other channel, we're looking at maybe $700 for the rescue, so a total of $1,400. So that's pretty good, unless, you know, the next 2 days we do real well on, I do real well on the videos, and they'll get more. But hey, man, $700, that buys a lot of stuff. So the more you watch, the better it'll be. The way it works on YouTube, when the new month starts, so when we go into November, it's like a day behind. Then they'll give me the final tally in the first few days of November. I'll know. I'll let you know. And then we don't get paid till the 21st of November. And at that time, as soon as I get it, I'll PayPal it right to them that same day. And I'll let you know when I do that. So it was a lot of work, but it was for a good cause. And anybody can still go donate. Furry Tails Rescue. I'll put the links below. It should be on there, but if not, man, that's my mistake. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the whole month. It means a lot. So, happy trails.